You know? Ibro. Ibro, you know I sent this money. Didn't you receive the alert? I sent 5,000 to you yesterday. And you didn't even talk. You didn't even reply. No text, nothing. You say?
Funke!
I said...
Funke!
You say... You
See
saw
what?
You say?
Jesus!
You saw 50,000 naira.
Funke! Funke!
I sent... You
See
said
what?
50,000 naira. Ibro, I sent you this mistake. I sent 5,000 naira. Oh, and since yesterday you didn't even talk.
Apostle,
You
we
didn't
hear
text,
of
you
this.
didn't even call. You didn't do anything. No, you just kept quiet. It's today you are saying you will call to thank me. So what? Okay, where is the 45,000 naira?
There is God.
Eh? You say
Child.
you finish everything.
Jesus is Lord.
Ibro, you are wicked.
What?
Ibro, God punish you. Ibro, I helped you as a brother, as a good child that you are. What are you supposed to do? You asked for 5,000, you saw 50, Ibro, and we will finish everything. Which kind of child are you, Ibro? You have finished all your help from me. You can't help and finish, Ibro. Just eat that thing and never ask again, Ibro. Finish. Thank you.